Excel is an incredible software package. If you want to make a graph, you simply scratch out the area you want, go to Insert, then select Graph. I like the XY plot, and it gives you something that looks like this. I want to take a real careful look at this graph quickly. On the x-axis is days, so April 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 down here. So the days are across the bottom. The time interval for the pendulum is on the y-axis. These numbers are in millionths of a second. So this one, for example, is 1874400 millionths of a second. And if you divide this out, you find out that this is 1.874 blah 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 seconds. So these are all 1.874. It's to a millionth of a second. The power in this simple experiment is the micros function in C++. It gives numbers to a millionth of a second from the time the program started. So these are all delta numbers from the microsecond. So it's the micros function minus a micros function gives this number. Micros function minus a micros function gives these numbers. So I would tell my students, pick a number and see what it means. Okay, let's take this number. This number is on 419, and the interval was whatever this number is here. So that's the interval of this period on this day. Every point is an average of about 1,100 numbers. So these are all average numbers. Okay, well, let's take a quick look at the whole graph. It's just a name. I call it mu. It's an old school grandfather clock. Goes tick tock, tick tock. The interval for the tick tock is about 1.87 blah 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 seconds per tick tock. So it's the harmonic interval is about 1.87 seconds. And if you look at these, you see day by day, this is sort of weird. They seem to be going up here, and they seem to be going down here, and they seem to be going down here. And then there's a long period at which the intervals seem to be going up. I don't know. And then it kind of drops down. I mean, this is just weird. I have I don't know what it all means. This experiment has been going on for about 5 years. This is two graphs from two pendulums. Mu is an old school grandfather clock. Theta is what they call an electronic pendulum drive. It's like a decorative swinging pendulum for a decorative clock. It serves no purpose other than decoration. The period here is from December 2020 to about May 2021. And every point represents an average of about 1,100 numbers. This is all done with Python.